So hello everyone, good afternoon. So today we will be solving about ice plant power plant problem. So what are given? We have the initial temperature of 16.5 degrees Celsius and the refrigerant is R22 and the final temperature is negative 5 degrees Celsius and the water tank is equals to 320 liters and the brine is 20 liters and the specific heat of water is 4.186 kilojoules per kilogram times Kelvin. And ang butang sa may rock salt, so ang rock salt nga magbutang is 12.5 kg and specific heat sa ice is 2.09 kilojoules per kilogram times Kelvin. And the latent fusion nga among equal, which is the standard, is 334 kilojoules per kilogram. And for the formula sa energy required is naman tayo formula nga energy is equals to Q total is over COP. So among gamiton diri nga formula sa COP is equals to high temperature over high temperature minus the lowest temperature. So naman tayo highest temperature nga 16.5 degrees Celsius and natay kana lowest temperature nga negative 5 degrees Celsius. So ato man siyang i-substitute i-substitute lang atong ang mga kuan mga given. So 16.5 over 16.5 minus negative 5 natin makuha nga COP nga 0.77.
So first, kuha na to una ang sensible cooling. So natay formula nga gamiton nga Q sub I is equals to MCP times T sub 1 which is equals to 0. So ang atong M is, ang atong mass is 20 kg since ang atong brine daw is nasa 20 liters. So 1 liter is equivalent to 1 kg. So natay 20 kg multiplied by the CP which is 4.186 kilojoules times 15.50 minus 0. So by using calculator we can get 1297.66 kilojoules.
For getting the latent heat using Q2 is equal to M, latent fusion is equal to 20 kg times 334 kilojoules per kilogram. So nasa yung final answer nga 6,680 kilojoules.
So for sensible cooling, we have Ti 0 and Tf is negative 5. So using the formula, Q3 equals MCP times Ti minus Tf. So M is 20 kg, Cp is 2.09 kilojoules over kilogram per A times K times Ti is 0 and Tf is negative 5. So using the formula we get, using the calculator, we get 209 kilojoules.
For the heat total, we have the formula of Qt equals to Q plus Q2 plus Q3. So the Q1 here is 1297.66 and our Q2 here is 6.680 and the Q3 is 209. So equals 8,186.66 kilojoules. To convert it, we will use 1 kilowatt over 3,600 kilojoules. So the total would be, the heat total would be 2.279 kilowatt hour.
So for energy required, we will use the formula Qt over COP. So we have a Qt of 2.279 kilowatt hour over COP of 0.77. Divided, we get 2.96 kilowatt hour.